who's one of the new creative entrepreneurs in recovery. He's set up a project called Sound Inner Space, and Robert Anderson is going to come and tell you and sing to you some of what he's been doing. Thank you, Robert.
The end of my addiction was kind of like a cave, you know what I mean? I was isolated, sat in the house, just using me and my records. That was it. The recovery, to me, that's the opposite of that. Pacing like a lion. I'm going to sit down. Come a little closer, Bobby. Interact with your audience. I need people, right? People go me out. The power of people can go me out of addiction. I don't like people. I don't like interact. She's all like music.
Yeah.
She's all believe that you can write a song.
No. You did.
I hear some eyes, I hear some nods. These are show of hands. How many of you think you can write a song? That's a good number, I like it. I did a wee workshop, a music workshop, what we had it. The amount of people that come in and they're like, I can't do this, I can't do that. I can't play. Everybody can do it, every single one of you can do a song, and get into it. You all know the power of music, you all like it. In my workshop, people come in. A lot of people really damaged with addiction, same as I was. You see that wee thing, people bonding together, doing a wee bit of, wait a minute here, I can do this. What? See, why I do this is, in early recovery, one of my mates, a musician as well, knows that I've been doing music for years and years, but addiction robbed me of the ability to enjoy it. I end up just, but I hate the thing I love. So that's the power of addiction. So one of my mates, he's seen that. He's in recovery himself and kind of got us up on stage 6 months clean. As you can imagine, it was a bit mental, do you know what I mean? I was really nervous. We up and ended up just singing all sorts of songs about all sorts of things. You start with a couple of verses or something and then it would just descend into complete madness, you know what I mean? And that kind of gave us that belief that I could go and do music again, you know what I mean? Because I never thought I would. I thought I was all washed up, you know what I mean? So people, right, I need to get out and about. On a daily basis I need to feed my spirit, you know what I mean? And my spirit gets fed through going out, speaking to people, getting to that thing of keeping stoking the fire and keeping going in recovery, you know what I mean? And challenging myself, getting wee goals, setting them and just keeping moving. See the amount of fear in my life and the kind of the total lack of esteem that I can actually do in it, you know what I mean? It's massive, you know what I mean? So I've got to challenge that on a daily basis, you know what I mean? And people, they put faith in us. People here have put faith in us. So on you go, wee man, go fly, Bobby, fly. Can you fly, Bobby? I can fly, you know what I mean? So as I said before, I did find it really difficult to kind of interact with people and kind of push through. I was like the first kind of fear to challenge and push through, and I still need to do it all the time. And then the people, you start giving you wee bits of encouragement, wee opportunities, right? Start believing in yourself, start believing in you before you believe in yourself. What's happening here? The point is we're on recovery and we're here trying to get together to do stuff, you know what I mean? You look about the room, there's loads of people doing loads of different stuff all over the country in the name of recovery. And it's brilliant. I want to do more of it. That's what I want to do. I really enjoy doing what I'm doing. I've been given the opportunity to kind of fly with the seat in my pants, right? And I love doing the wee workshop things. I'm really grateful for being given the opportunity to do it. I'd encourage anybody who's got an idea, run it by somebody, go, try it, you know what I mean? You never know where you'll end up, you know what I mean? We're going to sing a wee song together now. One of my favourite films, just a couple of verses, you can all sing the wee bit here. Some of you don't know it. It's kind of relative to where you were on here. You give a little love and it all comes back to you. La 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 la. 'Cause we're gonna be remembered for the things that we say and do. La 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 la. Thank you.
He says he doesn't do existential, but he really does existential. That was beautiful. Thank you very much.